Hello, in this video we will be creating the edition and publication statement of the file description. As a reminder, the only information included here is the edition and publication information for the encoded work. Now, as you can see in this TEI document that we created with the previous video, there is no edition statement. TEI specifies that the edition statement comes in a specific spot within the file description, and that is after the title statement. So go ahead and hit enter after that. Put in your greater than symbol and the edition statement element will appear, and hit enter. As you can see, it's not validating. What this means is we need to use a sub element. So go ahead and hit enter, put in your greater than symbol, and we're going to use the addition element, so type in ed and then hit enter. These are the only elements we will be using for the edition information. For the publication information that we're going to include in the publication statement is going to be the publisher's name, the place of publication, the date of publication, and the availability of the encoded work. Now, as you can see, there is a paragraph element, and that is one way to encode the publication information. What this means is they're taking the publication information and putting it all into a sentence format. Now, the other way to encode the publication information is in a structured format. All that means is we're taking different parts of the publication information and putting it into very specific elements. And that's what we're going to do here. So go ahead and highlight that P element and hit backspace or delete. And go ahead and put in your greater than symbol, and we're going to put the publisher's name first. And that goes in the publisher element. So type in PUB and hit enter. Next, we're going to put in the place of publication. The element for that is pub place. Now, place has a capital P, so if that is not capitalized, that element will not validate. So go ahead and put in your greater than symbol and type in PUB capital P, and then hit enter. Next, we're going to put the date of publication, and that's just a date element. So go ahead and put in your greater than symbol, type in DA, and date should appear, and hit enter. Last, we're going to put the availability of the encoded work information. That will be using the availability element. So go ahead and put in your greater than symbol, type in AV, and availability will appear, and hit enter. Now, as you can see, it's not validating. This means we need to use a sub-element for it to validate. And we're going to use the paragraph element, which is P. So go ahead and put in your greater than symbol, and P should appear, and hit enter. We now have just created a publication statement and an edition statement. This is the end of this video. What you'll be doing next is taking your edition and publication information found on your exercise scenario and putting it into the correct element that you just created here in this video. In our next video, we will be creating the source description